Hello and welcome, legends. It's Fatih here. Absolutely buzzing to have you with me today. Are you feeling a bit sluggish? A bit fed up? You've come to the right place. We're about to embark on an incredible 30-day journey together. It's not just about losing a bit of weight, transforming your energy, transforming your mindset, getting that amazing glow back. We're going to smash it, feel fantastic, completely revolutionize the way you think about food and fitness. Over the next few minutes, I'll share 10 simple, powerful, life-changing tips. Tips to help you shed extra pounds and make you feel and look years younger. Forget crazy, restrictive diets that leave you miserable and hungry. We're not about that. We're about fueling our bodies with proper, delicious food, moving our bodies in ways that make us happy, and building sustainable habits that last a lifetime. Today, 10 amazing tips that will change your life. Are you ready? Let's do this. Right then, tip number 1, and it's a biggie. We need to talk about sugar and all that processed junk food. Think about those sugary drinks, fizzy pops, healthy fruit juices. They're packed with empty calories that send your energy on a roller coaster. It's a vicious cycle. We're breaking it. Say goodbye to stuff that does nothing for our bodies. Instead of biscuits, crisps, ready meals from a packet, embrace real proper food. Cooking from scratch. It doesn't have to be complicated. Swap a chocolate bar for a handful of berries. Swap a bag of crisps for crunchy carrot sticks with hummus. These small swaps make a massive difference. Cook your own meals. No hidden sugars, no weird additives, just pure goodness. The benefits are huge and fast. Cutting processed rubbish helps you lose weight, improves your skin, boosts your energy, and sharpens your focus. Challenge: next 30 days. Cut sugary drinks and processed snacks. Get back in the kitchen. Let's move on to tip number 2. It's so simple you'll wonder why you haven't been doing it all along. We need to increase our water intake. Honestly, water is like a magic potion for your body. So many of us are walking around dehydrated without even realizing it, and that can make us feel tired and sluggish, even mistake thirst for hunger. Brain, muscles. It's the fuel that keeps the engine running smoothly. It helps your metabolism fire on all cylinders, helps flush toxins, and can lead to clearer skin and less bloating. Plus, drinking a glass of water before a meal can help you feel fuller, so you're less likely to overeat. Get a big water bottle, sip little and often. Jazz it up with lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries. Aim for around 2 liters a day and watch how your energy levels soar. Alright, tip number 3 is all about protein. If you want to feel full, feel strong, build a lean body, protein is your best mate. It's an absolute game changer. Here's why it matters. Satiety. Include protein with every meal to keep hunger pangs at bay and avoid unhealthy snacks. Protein is the building block for muscles. When losing weight, aim to lose fat, not muscle. More muscle = more calories burned even while sitting. Lean sources: chicken breast, turkey, salmon, tuna. Eggs are a superstar. Veggie and vegan options: lentils, chickpeas, black beans, tofu, quinoa. Try starting your day with some eggs or Greek yogurt. Have a chicken salad for lunch and a nice piece of salmon with veggies for dinner. Fuel your body properly and you'll feel the power. Let's get moving. Tip number 4 is all about making exercise a part of your life. Now don't panic. This doesn't mean you must spend hours in the gym. Find something you genuinely enjoy. A brisk walk, a jog in the park, a bike ride, dance around your living room, try Zumba, yoga, Pilates, or lift weights at the gym. Whatever it is, find it and embrace it. Tip number 5 is one that so many of us neglect, but it is absolutely crucial for weight loss and your overall health. Sleep is when your body repairs and recharges. It's when your muscles recover from your workouts. It's when your brain processes the day. It's when your hormones reset themselves. When you're sleep-deprived, 2 very important hormones that control your appetite go completely out of whack. Ghrelin goes up, leptin goes down. Lack of sleep also raises your cortisol levels, which can cause your body to store more fat, especially around your belly. Let's make sleep a priority. We're aiming for 7 to 9 hours. Switch off screens at least an hour before bed. Switch off your phone, turn off your TV, close your laptop. Instead, take a warm bath, read a book, listen to calming music, do gentle stretching, and keep your bedroom cool, dark and quiet. Prioritize your sleep, and you'll wake up energized, feel less hungry, and be ready to smash your goals. Right, let's talk about tip number 6, practicing portion control. For years we've been served massive portions, and our idea of a normal serving is distorted. We need to reset that and learn to listen to our bodies again. Use a smaller plate. It's a psychological hack. Fill half your plate with colorful vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, a quarter with complex carbs like brown rice or quinoa. Be mindful when dishing up. It takes about 20 minutes for your stomach to tell your brain it's full. Eat slowly and then wait. If still hungry after 20 minutes, have a little more. Most of the time, what you had was actually the perfect amount. All right, moving on to tip number 7. This one is all about fiber. Fiber is your secret weapon for feeling full, and it's brilliant for digestive health. It comes in 2 forms, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber slows digestion and makes you feel fuller longer. Insoluble adds bulk and keeps things moving. Think of it as a natural broom for your insides. Where do we find fiber? Oats, barley, apples, citrus fruits, carrots, beans, whole grains, nuts, cauliflower, green beans, potatoes, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Include a high-fiber food with every meal. Swap white bread for wholemeal, snack on an apple with the skin on, throw lentils into soups and stews. Here's a tip that costs nothing and requires no special equipment but can make a huge difference. Tip number 8 is to eat slowly and chew your food really well. In our busy lives, we eat at desks, in the car, while scrolling our phones. We're not paying attention and we often wolf our food down. Digestion actually begins in the mouth. Your saliva contains enzymes that start breaking down food. Chewing thoroughly makes food easier to process and helps nutrient absorption. Sit at a table, put your phone away, look at your food, smell it, take a bite, and then put your knife and fork down. Aim for 20-30 chews per mouthful. You'll enjoy food more and feel full with less. Tip number 9 is a big one. It's all about our mental well-being. We need to learn how to manage stress. It has a huge physical impact and can sabotage weight loss. When we're stressed, our body releases cortisol. If it stays high, it increases appetite, drives emotional eating, and tells the body to store fat, especially around the abdomen. Stress disrupts sleep, makes us unmotivated to exercise, and leads to emotional eating. Find healthy ways to cope: nature walks, creative hobbies, music, gardening, mindfulness, and meditation. Even 5 minutes of quiet breathing helps. Schedule relaxation like a meeting. Social time with friends is therapeutic. Schedule it. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. And finally, we've reached tip number 10. Start your journey with a friend. Doing this with someone else is one of the most powerful motivators. Accountability and support make it easier to stay on track. A quick message from your buddy can get you off the sofa. Challenge each other, celebrate, laugh, cook together, and share healthy recipes. Check in daily, share progress, be each other's biggest cheerleader. And there you have it, 10 incredible tips to help you lose weight, feel amazing, and look younger in just 30 days. We've covered so much: ditching the junk, guzzling more water, the power of protein, sleep, moving your body. Remember, this isn't about a quick fix or a crash diet. This is about small, manageable changes every single day that add up to a massive transformation. Stick these tips on your fridge, tell your friends and family what you're doing, and be proud of every single healthy choice. When you look in the mirror 30 days from now, you won't just see weight loss, you'll see a younger, more energetic, and happier you. Fatih Aka's channel logo appears. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more healthy living tips. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to start with first. Let's do this together. Remember, this isn't a race, it's a lifestyle change.